3, go.
Hey, welcome to your boss, dude. Okay, hi.
Featuring Alisa Pascual. And her.
Hey. Hoy!
And Tabitha.
And this is the
Rai.
boring agriculture. Yeah, the boring agriculture.
Then,
You know my sister? She milked the goat. What? She milked the goat because she's also agriculture. What?
oh my god.
Hey, look. It got wet. I got wet. I'm going to change clothes.
And this is so boring. Boring. What? Where's Whitey? And there's the people who's getting bored.
Because it's me and you and all of the people.
And there's Tabitha Rai singing.
Yeah, bibirit ka ba? Akin daw.
And that's Jujen with her hair.
Ito dapat si Tabitha yung pagkaliwa. Samahan mo? Pagkalina,
And it's her eating cookies. There. And there.
What the world? What the world? Look! Ay, commercial tayo sa C2.
Game. 1, 2, 3, action.
C2.
Wait, hindi kasi kayo kita lahat, di ba?
Sige. Go.
Wait. Game.
Get it!
Sige, tawa lang kayo. Akala ko magka-commercial.
Clear na lang. My name is Nicole. Dapat gumami yung Ay, nagsisikuhan na kayo pagkain, ha?
People eating there.
Ano ba yan?
There.
Sabi M&M's of the No, I'm not
Can I have?
M&M's. Meron ka?
Ahan Skittles. Sa bahay.
Kaya ka sa your blessing.
Oo nga naman.
Kaya pala ayaw siya ni the blessing. At sabi ta sa'yo, bigla ka nang kukuha.
Wait.
What are you looking at?
Incoming text.
Gawin natin yung sa balls, yung the rolling. I eat danger for breakfast. Are you hungry? Starving. Ay, nanood ka ng balls? No, Twilight. Sorry yung commercial.
Huh? Say yo, hi, hello. From
Let's
Gabby.
sing! The
get.
wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Bata ba yung makanta? Bata?
Wait!
Anong sa kanya? Gusto ko dito. Anong kakahit?
Ang boring nyo. Mga people. I'm gonna feature everybody. Move it. Move it, people. People.
Hindi mo nakita yung
People. Where's Maxine? She's lost. That's the people.
Pants, t-shirt lang. Ano hello?
And there's Christelle from grade 5, room 10.
Nabasa yung underwear mo. Ode! Somebody has to go nudie. Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Lago nag-video ka?
Yeah.
Alam mo yung place, yung rewarding place yung Lago de Oro?
It's funny. Patawan ko.
Oh yes, joke tayo.
Again.
Ako may joke ako.
Pag nag-joke siya, lahat tawa.
Your daddy touch! watching. Share your blessings. Pahingi.
Ako nauna. Kanina pa ako humingi sa'yo.
Ako ngayon lang.
Ba't red lahat?
Ay, ayoko ng brown. Ay, konti pa. Isa pa.
And M&M!
Promise. Ay, ayoko nun. Ang ginawa ko tapos lalaway na ako kamay ko. Ayan mo na. Ayoko kainin yun. Ayoko na. Sige. Ayan.
Games, tell a joke.
I'll make you laugh.
Ano? The bus is gonna move in a while. Stand by. Let's move it. Wow.
How's that?
Okay, go.
Kayo tatawa. Saan? Diyan ka saan? Ay, kay Mr. Bean.
And that was Tabitha Rice dancing the Mr. Bean style. Go, tell a joke.
Ay, ako tuloy. Yes. Ano to? Uod.
Answer.
Balik ka na, mamaya mo. Okay, diba?
Yeah.
Anak nito.
Wahaha. Okay, go.
Ano to? Ano yun? Anak ng ganun.
Ano yun?
Ano yun? Hindi ko na alam eh.
Game.
Oh. Ano to?
I'm a cheater. The mommy.
Ano to? Ano to? Dumami.
Ayun. Very good. Whoever answered that. Again.
Ito. May amo. Sinabi niya sa Yaya, sabi niya, Yaya, luto mo ako ng ano. Ay, luto mo ako. Timplahan mo ako ng orange juice concentrated. Tapos sabi niya, yes sir. Tapos tumaas ko yung amo. After a while, sabi nung amo, ang tagal ni Yaya magtimpla. So bumaba siya, tinininat kung tinimpla. Nakita niya yung orange juice nasa table, tapos yung Yaya nakaganon. Sabi nung amo, ginagawa mo.
Concentrated kasi.
Sabi niyo po, sorry, orange juice concentrated.
Lahat tawa. Pag okay. Oo nga.
Ano sila? Stare deeply into my eyes. Oh, stare into my eyes on the camera. Seriously?
What?
Pahingi ng alcohol. Make you laugh, ha? Pahingi. I will make you laugh. Ikaw lang naman eh. Lago!
Ay, yung ano?
Lago!
What?
Okay, kuya. In preschool ako, I was like K2. And then I keep on watching Dora. Alcohol. We keep on watching Dora. And then,
Bayan?
pahingi isa. Ay, napupupo ako. Pahingi isa.
I'm like videoing this.
Okay, napupupo ako. Kapunta akong banyo. And they were teaching like ABCD. So like, ABCD! EFG! H-I-J-K! What are you looking at?
Do it to Judiel.
I'll make you laugh. Stare deeply into my eyes. Si Cristel lang pala.
Si Cristel naman, ang boring. Di tumatawa. KJ.
Uy, naman, punta ka ba kayo sa Bangkok? Ha?
Oo na, sinabi mo na yan sa amin. Sinabi mo na yan sa akin.
Yeah, pero it got boring, so I went home.
Dito na kaya, AJ, susongs lang, bilang umuwi. Sabi ko, AJ, umuwi ka na, dito lang ako. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and out.